Hi guys, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. Today's video is on my bike issue. Bike is not starting. I kept that bike for 10 days in the house, so bike is not starting. So I need to take this bike to the service center because it's a BS6 now. So I'll take the rickshaw and take that bike to the service. So guys, this is the bike BS6. Something problem has come up in this. The plug wire has got a carbon in this bike. Within 10 days I kept inside because of rain for 10 days and bike got carbon in the plugs and the fuse and all. So bike is not starting. Bike is cranking here, but the plug is not getting power here in this plug area. This is also new bike. That other bike is getting rusted and this bike is not working now. I am surprised of this BS6 now because of this behaviors of BS6. Okay guys, I am finally at the showroom here from where I bought the bike. It's in Sawadeh in Goa. So bike is already inside there. They will check afterwards. And today is Saturday, so they are not going to give me the bike today. So it's like 26 June. So I already kept inside there. They will check, they will put on the computer, they say, and check the system what is wrong with it. I'm surprised why the BS6 is only in a 6-7 months old bike. What happened to this? They gave me this now and they will call, they said, afterwards when they finish doing all this work. Okay guys, I'll let you know what happens afterwards, how many days they will take to repair that bike and what's the cost, and it's have a warranty. What about this, what they will ask for, I will tell you later on within how long they will repair this bike. So I'll go home now and I come back, I will tell you.